BJP, of course, in a celebration mode, they're deciding who the next CM is going to be. What about the Aam Aadmi Party with that resounding defeat? Their focus now turns to Punjab, the only state where the party is in the government. Punjab Congress is now consistently claiming that Aam Aadmi Party MLAs are in touch with them, that they want to jump ship, they want to break away from the Aam Aadmi Party. Arvind Kejriwal is set to hold a meeting today with Punjab's MLA and Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann in Delhi. They've been called to the national capital. There is a planning session that's going to be on for the future strategy. While they're claiming it's an organizational meeting, but it's too coincidental coming after the results in Delhi. Now remember, BJP has taken this opportunity to mock Aam Aadmi Party. Kejriwal's strategy is being charged at, saying he will even remove Bhagwant Mann from the position.
जब दिल्ली की जनता के सामने एक्सपोज्ड हो गए, तो जब उनका तो जो शीश महल वो बनाए हैं, जो भ्रष्टाचार से अलग अलग राज्यों में, तो धराशायी होगा ना। तो उसी धराशायी को, उसको प्लिंथ को बचाने में लगे हुए, इसलिए पंजाब के लोगों से। लेकिन कहीं अब उनकी पार्टी नहीं बचने वाली है, उनकी पार्टी अब ध्वस्त होगी। भ्रष्टाचार के आंदोलन से निकले, भ्रष्टाचार में अखंड डूब गए, ये सारी देश की जनता और सभी राज्यों की जनता उनके बारे में जान गई है।
आम आदमी पार्टी ने गवर्नेंस तो कुछ किया नहीं दिल्ली के अंदर, इसी कारण से दिल्ली की जनता ने उन्हें बदला है। ऐसे ही पंजाब में भी उनकी स्थिति ऐसी ही है, जिसके कारण से पंजाब के लोगों को भी लगता है कि ये पंजाब के लिए कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं। पंजाब की महिलाओं को 1000 रुपया कह के अभी तक नहीं दिया, और फिर उसके ऊपर नमक छिड़कते हैं कि दे देंगे, अगले चुनाव से 2 महीने पहले दे देंगे। तो इनकी बेईमानी साफ झलकती है।
वो डरा हुआ है ना, वो सोच रहा है कि पंजाब टूट ना जाए, क्योंकि इसके जो विधायक हैं उनको कोई एक्सपीरियंस तो है नहीं। पूरे पंजाब में केजरीवाल फेल हो चुका है, वहाँ तो सिर्फ अब भारतीय जनता पार्टी है पंजाब में। मैं सभी को यही अपील करूँगा, पंजाब में आप भारतीय जनता पार्टी के साथ लगो, जिससे कि पंजाब खुशहाल हो, पंजाब तरक्की करे। क्योंकि जिसको भी हुकूमत आप लोगों ने दी है अभी तक, पंजाब का सत्यानाश किया है।
So what is it then Punjab Congress saying, India Alliance partners saying? Listen into this conversation with India Today's news director Rahul Kanwal.
बाजवा साहब, वीकेंड पे आपने हमें इंटरव्यू दिया, आपने लड़ाई करा दी. You know that interview completely viral across Punjab. You basically made the point that 32 plus AAP MLAs are in touch with you. I got so many calls from people in the Aam Aadmi Party basically saying, बाजवा साहब यबली मार रहे हैं, ऐਵੇਂ ही बोली जा रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं इनके पास एविडेंस है. He's just trying to fish in troubled waters. Are you fishing in troubled waters, or do you seriously think there's a threat to the Bhagwant Mann government?
For the last 40 years, I've been in politics. Do you think if people are not in touch with you, would I ever say on television? I have named none. Neither have I ever said that the Congress wants to destabilize this government. But definitely, again on your television, with very firm footing, I can tell you more than 30 MLAs are very much in touch. They feel this is the last ticket to the moon, as I said it the last time. They know there is no coming back from the moon now. They are looking for new parties. And the number one party that most of the AAP people are looking for is the Congress. They feel Congress is the alternative in the next 27 elections. They have opened up their doors with us. They are very much consistently in talk with us. That is different. Let the time come. This time hasn't come. So once the time is there, they are very much in touch. And as I told you, 11 to 12 years earlier, when I was the Pradesh Congress president, I made a team which was working with me seriously. But when I was replaced in the last 6 months by Captain Amrinder Singh overlooked their cases, and the AAP basically gave these tickets to them, and 22 of those people are MLAs and ministers over there. Do you want me to name them? I can, but I don't want to do that because that's not done as a...
So you're saying that you're convinced, and you're repeating this despite all the blowback that came your way,